So today I'm going to be unboxing the Cub birthing stool. It's the comfortable upright birth stool, and I was blessed to win this in a giveaway not long ago. In fact, it was just before my birthday, so I count it as a birthday present. So let's see what's in the box. Meet your award-winning Cub. So in here we have some information guide. Dun, dun, dun. And we have an inflatable pump, which is one of these little mini foot pumps. I will not be using that. And our lovely Cub in its tote bag, which is a nice terry cloth. Inside we have the stool itself, which will need to be inflated, and the lovely soft terry cloth cover that's going to go on the outside. Okay, we have the Cub stool inflated now with the nice soft cover on it. We learned that it's probably best to put the cover on the stool before you start to inflate it, otherwise it's a little bit tricky to do. I'm going to have Mindy come over real quick and demonstrate a couple of positions on how to use the Cub. There's a few different options. She's a fellow doula in the Nashville area with Foundation Doula Services. So come on, Mindy. How does it look? What do you think?
It's very comfortable.
So this is a way that you could have a good supported squat with the Cub stool, and even could potentially birth in this position. You like it?
Yeah.
A little bit softer than a toilet seat?
Yeah, definitely.
What about on hands and knees? How does that feel? What do you think? Oh yeah, nice and cozy.
I think it gives you a lot of space for the belly.
Yeah, you can really relax into that. Does it feel stable?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
You can spread your knees to open up your pelvis, and it doesn't moves a little bit, but it has a good balance.
Okay, awesome. So here's just a couple of examples of what you can do with the Cub birth stool. Hope you enjoy.